We've got the Surface Laptop 5 for an unboxing video real quick. This is brand new and it's just been shipped in. Now the Surface Laptop 5 looks pretty much like the old one, but the first thing you might notice, I hope you notice, is that this packaging that it comes in for corporate customers is all recycled cardboard, so or recyclable at least. Even the wrapping of the product itself is actually not plastic. There's no plastic in this box almost entirely, I'm pretty sure, which is just awesome, because when companies buy devices like this, they buy them usually in the hundreds and the thousands, and the waste that's created by those products when they're retail products like an iPad, for example, is horrendous. So with this corporate packaging, there's really not a lot of waste, which is fantastic. But that's the device anyway. That's the Surface Laptop. I'm going to open it up. Turns on straight away for me. Like I said, it looks just like the previous model, the Surface Laptop 4. Key difference is it's got a 12th generation processor in it. And over here on the left-hand side, we've got a Thunderbolt 4 Usbc port. So you can charge with that Usbc port. You can also run things like external displays and external graphics cards, all sorts of other performance options that you can add to this, which is great. Other things in the box, let's have a look what else is in there. Ships with Windows 11 on the device. But we've got here our little bit of documentation. It's all pretty light on this stuff these days. We've got a little warranty card. We've got our quick start guide. Very simple, points out a few things there, like the Windows Hello camera on the front. Points out the great dual far-field studio microphones that are on the device as well. And here we have our local power cord and also our power brick with not plastic but some sort of paper covering that I've destroyed there. This one actually has a USB port on the power brick so that you can charge your mobile phone or something like that there. So it's handy, and the Surface power cord. So that's pretty much everything that's in the box on the Surface Laptop 5.